So just so everybody's all clear, your communication privileges with the outside, sir, are revoked. All right, let's go on the record we're recalling the matter of the state of Michigan versus Elvis Sabat, 251645. Appearance for the people, please.
Good afternoon, the people, PA 8493. Good afternoon, Judge DeSanto, PA 2378, on behalf of Mr. Sabat, state your name for the court.
Sorry, Elvis.
Okay, well, hold on. No contest was, we have to change the guilty, you have to check the no contest box and cross off the guilty one.
Apologize, Your Honor.
That's okay. Sir, your first name first, please.
Sala.
Very good, thank you.
Okay, see.
I just need your initial, counsel, if you can.
Oh, initial.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
She has to initial. Carrie needs a few extra steps.
Just one. Okay.
Okay. All right, we're gonna try this again. Okay, now we're on the record. And so it's my understanding there's been a resolution, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And sir, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear from the testimony you're about to give in this matter to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Okay, sir. Do you see this beautiful lady sitting right here? She has to be able to record all of the proceedings here to have an accurate record. So you need to speak up much louder, okay? So, do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give in this matter to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Did that come through?
Yes.
Okay. And so counsel, the plea, as I understand it now, is your client is going to be pleading no contest to domestic violence first offense. And the assault with intent to do great bodily harm less than murder is going to be dismissed, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And there's not an under advisement what's the component?
There is not, Your Honor.
Okay. Is that accurate, counsel?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. And sir, you've heard the plea that was placed on the record, correct?
Yes.
As to the charge of domestic violence, how do you plead?
It's a no contest plea.
No contact. No contact. Right?
No contest.
No contest.
Is that coming through?
Yeah.
Okay. And you have gone over your advice of rights with your attorney, correct?
Yes.
And you understand all of those rights.
Yes.
You also understand that by entering into a plea, you will be waiving some of those rights.
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty as a result of your plea, whether in this court, any other court, or administrative agency. And you understand immigration is an administrative agency, and you could have some, there could be some consequences as a result of your immigration status. Do you understand that? I'm sorry?
Yes.
Knowing all that, do you want to continue with your plea?
Yes.
Has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
Any, well, we know that there's some immigration issues, so, but I have to still ask that question. Any immigration issues?
I don't really have any immigration issues. I'm going through the process of getting a citizenship. And this is all started, and it led to this problem because the previous incident, when she lied and got me arrested.
Nope, no. We're not talking about all that. Are there any immigration issues that you have to take into consideration as a result of this plea?
No.
No. Okay. All right, you do understand, sir, that you indicated you're applying for citizenship. You understand that this conviction could affect that.
Yes.
Okay. And knowing all of that, you want to continue with your plea?
Yes.
Okay. Any objection to the court reviewing the police report for the factual basis?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, just one moment. Okay, the court has reviewed the police report. The court does find the plea is knowing, voluntary, and factually accurate. The court will accept your plea of no contest to domestic violence. And the court's going to order bond and conditions are continued.
Judge, I did want to address bonding, but it is my understanding that after today, maybe the officer can speak more to this. ICE will be contacted. Do that.
Yeah, it's asking for, Payne asking for review PD. ICE will be contacted regarding a possible marriage visa fraud. He's been in the country 12 years. We have information to believe that marriage visa was obtained fraudulently to stay in the country. So they're going to be advised of the case and possibly have a detainer on him.
Okay. Okay, and does that affect bond?
So, no, I was just saying I was gonna argue bond, but there's gonna potentially be an ICE hold, so I don't know if the court would even address bond, knowing that he likely will not be released.
No, no, I'm going to order bond and conditions are continued. Especially given that, that there may be a detainer put on. I don't know, what frame of mind your client's in as far as that goes. As whether or not he would return to court or not, and also for the safety of the victim in this manner. So the court's going to order bond and conditions are continued. Sir, you will, you may be interviewed today by probation regarding pre-sentence interview, or you may just get a date that you'll be appearing via Zoom from the Wayne County Jail for an interview. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Have a good day. And just for the record, Madam Prosecutor, you had spoken with the victim in this matter, and she was in agreement and supportive of this resolution, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
I was happy with the resolution we had today.
Okay.
So is can the one condition change to no assaultive contact?
Why would it need to change to no assaultive contact? Do they have children in common?
They do.
Okay.
And if he's set to be deported at some date, I'm sure he may want to communicate about the children. You know, the court would consider the
What is it you want to say, sir?
I am the breadwinner of our family. And the little one who is under a year old is starving, you know, have infant diabetes.
And how do you know that, sir? You've been in custody.
She put money on my card and I called her and she told me what the problem she's going through.
Hold on a moment. The victim put money on your card and you called her,
Yes.
despite this court's order not to have contact.
We have kids together.
That's not my question. Sir, you could have 15 kids together. You could have 15 giraffes. I don't really care. I ordered no contact. No contact. I'm sure that the mother of your children knows how to go and ask for state assistance to help with food for the children. She obviously had money to put on your card. She could have bought Infamil with that. So I'm not amending the bond conditions, especially knowing that he violated the bond conditions. Absolutely not. No.
And Your Honor, just for the record, based on the witness talking to the officer in charge, I believe it was the other way around. What was it?
So in a quick investigation I did outside starting today, I was advised he's been calling her daily since his last court date in this court. And a cellmate of his sent $20 to her Zelle account yesterday.
Interesting. Is she still here?
I believe so.
Yes.
Great. Let's have her come in, please. Can I have that file back, please? And sir, before she enters the courtroom, I'm going to just make sure you're aware there is not to be any communication with her or otherwise while she's in here. Good afternoon, ma'am. If you can please step forward to the podium. Okay. And good afternoon. Your name for the record, please.
Oriana Malone.
Okay, I'm sorry. Can you speak up just a little bit louder?
Oriana Malone.
Okay, can you spell your first and last names for the record, please?
Yeah. ORIEYONNA. Malone. ALONE.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to have you please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. And so, ma'am, you know Mr. Sabah, correct?
Yes.
How do you know Mr. Sabah?
He's my baby's father. 3 of them.
Okay, you shared 3 children with him?
Yes.
Okay. And so Mr. Sabah has not been at the house, right? He's been in Wayne County Jail?
Yes.
And have you had any contact with Mr. Sabah?
Yes.
And how did that contact occur?
He called
From where?
the Wayne County Jail. It was a 261 number.
Okay. When did he call you?
He calls most days. It started maybe the day after I've seen at the last court on YouTube.
Okay, so the last court date was last week, December 4th.
Okay, yeah, and he's been calling every day.
And do you answer the phone when he calls?
Yes,
And do you recognize Mr. Sabah's voice?
yes,
Do you engage in a conversation with Mr. Sabah?
yes,
Did you put money on an account for Mr. Sabah to be able to call you?
yes,
You did? You're aware of the no contact provision, correct?
yes.
So why would you put money on a card for Mr. Sabah to then contact you?
I felt like he might want to reach out to the kids, and I want him to be able to talk to their dad.
And how old are the children?
6, 5, and 11 months.
Has anybody else from inside the Wayne County Jail reached out to you?
Yes. She wasn't inside the jail, but it was a woman. She called me last night. Her name was Tamika something, and she Zelled $20 to me.
Do you know this girl?
No, she said that her son, it's her and her another one on the phone. She said her son was there with Elvis, and they were sending me some money. And I asked her what the money was for. She said she didn't know. I said I don't know either.
So you gave somebody your Zelle account, or you gave somebody your name for them to Zelle you money?
Elvis gave them my name and phone number, and that's what she needed to Zell it, my phone number and name.
Okay, and are you working, ma'am?
Yes,
Okay. And have you relocated from the home?
yes,
Are you feeling safe now that you've relocated from the home?
with him locked up, yes. But not yesterday when he called, he was really angry and yelling, was cussing at me. So that made me feel very unsafe. It's part of the reason why I was brave enough to come today.
No, it does take a lot to come to court to testify. And ma'am, just so that you're aware, the way that you're feeling from the phone conversation yesterday is exactly why this court ordered no contact. So I'm just letting you know, I'm not amending the no contact. And in fact, I'm going to order that his phone and communication privileges are revoked. Do not engage in conversation with him.
And
I understand it's difficult because there are 3 children and you have to now navigate that with the 3 children. However, this court, for the protection of many facets, the community, your children, yourself, has ordered no contact. So there is no contact. You can put $100 on his account. If he contacts you, that's a violation. So it would behoove you not to waste any money on a phone account for him, especially because I'm revoking his privileges. Okay?
Okay.
So just so you're aware, that's why the court put that order in place. And I think it was actually an interesting exercise for you to see that he was apparently, it appeared to be relatively unremarkable conversation until the night before court. And then you had that feeling of not feeling safe again.
Yes.
Right. Anything for the people? Anything for the defense?
No, Judge.
Okay, thank you very much for coming in today, ma'am.
Thank you.
So just so everybody's all clear, your communication privileges with the outside, sir, are revoked. That includes having one of your cellmates or somebody else within the jail contacting somebody to then contact Miss Malone or your children. Am I clear on that?
Yes.
Any questions about that?
I'm sorry it happened. It's not gonna happen again. I would like to speak to my mom. She's worried sick about what's happening.
Sir, you've lost that privilege. You've lost that privilege. Now, if your mom travels down and goes to visit you at the jail, that's one thing.
My mom is out of the country.
Okay, well, sir, you've lost that privilege. You've lost the privilege because you violated this court's order and you were contacting Miss Malone. Anything else?
No.
Okay, all right, thank you. All right, thank you very much for coming in, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please do let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. If you'd like to support what we do here, the best way to do it is to pick up some of our merch. You can find it at courtroomfiles.com.